Hey study buddies, welcome to ENGUARIMA Channel. This is Garima and today we are going to see different ways to say hello so that your speech doesn't sound boring. Instead, it sounds more advanced. So let's start. First, let's see some extreme formal ways to greet someone. So you will use them with people you respect. So either they are elder than you or in a higher position than you, or in a boss-employee relationship, or in a customer service provider relationship, or with someone who is a complete stranger to you, or you are meeting them in person for the first time. So like you know them via someone else, but in person it's your first time. Or you don't know what greeting you should use with this person. You can always use these greetings. So first and most used one is good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or morning. So depending upon the hour of the day you meet that person, you will use these. So before 12 we all know good morning works. After that, good afternoon. After 4 to 5 you can use good evening. In the later part of the day you will always use good evening. You will never use good night because good night means bye and you don't want to say bye when you actually wanted to say hi, right? Example, if someone says good morning sir, you can reply them with morning. Here, watch your tone. It shouldn't be cold, else the person will think you are not interested in having a conversation with them. Okay, so be careful here. Second, you can say greetings or greetings and salutations. So you will use them in public speaking. So like before a presentation, before starting a presentation or a debate or a speech, you can use them. Example, my warm-hearted greetings to one and all who is present here today with me. Or my warm greetings to everyone who is present here. Okay. Another thing you can use is good or nice to meet you, or if you are meeting them for the second time or more than that, you can use nice to meet you again. Okay, or great to see you, or great to meet you again, or pleased to see you or meet you. Now when you are using these greetings, you can either handshake or just smile or even hug. So like Chandler's boss used to hug. Chandler is a character from Friends sitcom. If you haven't watched that, let's talk about formal ways to talk to your colleagues. So when we are talking to our colleagues, that relationship is neither too formal or too informal, right? It's kind of in between. So you can say, how are you doing? How are you today? Or how have you been lately? Or how are you doing today? What have you been up to? How are you feeling today? Or simply, how are you? Okay, or you can say what's new, what's up with you, or if you are meeting them in a long run, you if you haven't seen them in a long run, you can say long time no see. Okay, how's everything, how are things, how's life, what's going on with you, how's it going. Okay, you can reply to these. So depending upon the relationship you share with that person, with that colleague, you can say I'm doing okay, well, or not bad, or anything like that, and you can ask how about you? Or you can add some details. So like if you dropped off your kid at school, you can say I dropped off my kid at school today, or it's my kid's first day at school, or any other detail you want to mention. Okay, now let's see some formal ways to greet a distant relative, or your friend's family, or your friend's friends, or a group of individuals you don't know that well. Okay, so good morning will work here. No to good night. How's everyone? How's everyone doing? What's new? How's everything? You can use all these greetings. If it's been a long while, you can say it's been a long while and it literally means that I miss you, Okay, you can say long time no see. You can say pleased to meet you, or nice to meet you, good to see you, great to see you. You can use these. Or you can say how do you do. With older generations, it's an old slang of saying how are you. Some people still use it. Okay, so it depends. Now let's see some informal ways to greet family and friends in groups. So you can say hi, hey, hello, WhatsApp, what's up, was up, or sup. Now it's even added in Oxford Dictionary. You can say how are you all, or how are you all, or how's everyone doing, how's everyone. Okay, if it's been a long time, it's been a long run, and you haven't seen these people in a while, you can say long time no see, it's been a while. Okay, again you can handshake, smile, or hug. You can say you all doing okay, everything okay, what's happening, how are you. Okay, what's new, what are you up to these days. Okay, what's shaking or what's shaken. So it's a slang to, and it means to say how are you. Okay, you can say how are you holding up. So if you know an individual has been through a rough period of time, through a harsh period of time, you can say how are you holding up now. Okay, how are you doing now. You can say how's life, how's everything, how are things. Okay, let's move ahead. Now let's see informal ways when you are having one-to-one conversation. Okay, so these are more like slangs. So WhatsApp, sup, what's up, or what's up. It's common in teenagers, but other people also use it. Okay, yo, it's common in America. WhatsApp, bro, dude, mate, or WhatsApp buddy, or WhatsApp man. You can say that irrespective of gender. Okay, you can use bro, dude, buddy, or man irrespective of gender. It means you can use them with both males and females. Okay, buddy is more common in Canada. If you have noticed, Shawn Mendes mention it again and again. Hey buddy, how are you doing buddy. He's like saying all the time buddy, buddy, buddy. Okay, you can say how's it going, or hey, how's it going bro, how's it going dude. Okay, you can say how are ya. You can say howdy. Howdy is specific to some parts of US and Canada, so don't say it anywhere else. Okay, you can say hey girl, or hey girl, or hey girl. It's common among girls. Okay, you can say hey or hi there. You can say it in a teasing manner like hi there. Okay, then you can say look who it is, or look who's here. If you haven't seen that person in a long time, or you were waiting for them to meet you, you can use these kinds of greetings. Okay, you can say how are you okay, you all right, or you can say all right mate. It's common in Britain. Okay, these slangs are common in Britain. You can say good day mate. It's common in Australia. It means good day. Okay, you can say hiya. It's common in certain parts of England. It means how are you. But you can answer this by saying simply hi or hey. Okay, short answer. You don't have to mention that I'm doing okay or things like that. Okay, you can say hey there she's, or hey there he's. So you will use this when you were looking for someone and you finally meet that person. Okay, so then you will say hey there she is. Okay, something like that. You can say what's the good word for today. So like it's common in US and it's a slang that means how are you and I haven't seen you in ages. Okay? You can say something like that, look what the cat dragged in. Okay? So you wanna give attention to the person who has entered the place. Okay? I hope this video has helped you learn new things, new greetings to say hello instead of the boring hello or hey or hi. So make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends so that they can also improve their vocabulary. And take care. Thanks so much for watching until the end. I wanted to thank my dear friends and supporters for supporting this channel so far. I'll do this by saying hello in their native languages. I hope I got the pronunciations right. Please let me know in the comments. Marhaba to Lay and her students. Marhaba Rana, Jizam and Oma. Bonjour Jessica and Denise. Hello Doro. Hola Lucy, Karen and Bella. Konnichiwa Kumiko. Annyeong Eugene. Okay, that was hard. Thanks and dhanyavad to my Indian friends Anshika, Komal and Yash. Namaskar from Garima.